everyone, hope you all are doing well during Ramzan and you all are taking good care of yourself. Today in the cooking session we are going to share with you very yummy recipe of Shami kebab, which is no doubt everyone's favorite dish. Let's see the ingredients.
We have taken 1 kg of beef. Now we will add 1 teaspoon or according to your taste salt in it. Then we will add 1 teaspoon of allspice powder. Then we will add 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Then we will add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. It depends on you how much spicy you need it. You can add more. Then we will add coriander powder 1 teaspoon. Then we will add cumin powder 1 teaspoon. Now we will add cinnamon sticks. I have taken 2. Then we will add this red chili 20 to 25 as I have taken 1 kg of it. And then I will add half teaspoon of ginger paste and half teaspoon of garlic paste. Now I have taken 2 medium sized onion and I will cut it into pieces. Like this, I will cut it into 4 pieces. Like this. Now I have soaked 1 glass of gram lentils and now I am going to add it. I have soaked it for around 1 hour. Now you have to add water in it accordingly how your pressure cooker will take the time. So I am adding over here according to my pressure cooker 3 cups of water. Now I will cover it. Now I am going to close it and you have to be very careful and you have to make sure that it is closed. Now I am going to open the stove and the speed of the stove should be this much. Now I am going to put it and we will wait for the whistle, and after whistle we will wait for 5 minutes, we open it and we will see how it will be.
Now I have taken the mixture out from the pressure cooker and I have bring it to the room temperature. Now we are going to make the green masala for Shami kebab. What we are going to add? We are going to add 2 chilies, big one, and I have taken coriander and mint over here 3 tablespoons. Like this. Now I will chop it first. See how finely it has been chopped. Now I am going to add this mixture in it. Like this, I will add all the mixture in this chopper and I will chop it very finely.
So as you all can see that now it is half chopped. What I am going to do, I am going to add 1 egg in it. At this stage I am going to add 1 egg and now I am going to chop it again. Now you all can see now it is finely chopped. And now I am going to pour back it like this. Now I am going to knead it very nicely to give it a fine look. Knead the mixture very nicely. Now it has become hard. As you can see the consistency of it, it will be like this. Now what I am going to do, I will take little oil on my hands and then I will make a small ball like this. And then I will give a very nice and fine shape to our Shami kebab like this. See how nicely it has become. Now we are going to fry it. I have preheated my fry pan and I have added very little oil in it. Now I am going to add it over here. Now we will make one more. I will take little oil. Then I will make a small ball. The size of the Shami kebab depends on you, that how much thin or thick you like. You can make accordingly. See? Now we will going to fry it as well.
I am frying it on a medium low speed. Now I will turn. See how nicely the brown color has came on our Shami kebab. Now we will cook it from the other side to give it a very nicely brown color. Now our Shami kebab is ready. We will dish it out. And now we will garnish it.
So our yummy Shami kebab is ready. I hope you will going to try it in your Sehri and Aftari during this month of Ramadan. Jazakallah.